Stop waiting for up to 24 hours after you fill a cement crack or seam to continue your work. Xtreme-Set 100 is a stand-above-all, low-viscosity, two-component polyurea concrete repair product that utilizes an innovative and proprietary development process. When mixed with a dry silica sand supplied by the user, provides the ability to fill cracks, voids, and surface depressions or spalls on any horizontal concrete surface that requires repairs with only one product. Before application, the receiving surface must be deemed structurally and mechanically sound, clean, and dry. The recommended surface profile is CSP-2. All receiving surfaces must be porous. This is a fast cure product. Pre-fill the void with dry silica sand, not included. Mix Part A and Part B in equal parts, 1:1 by volume. Only mix 6 ounces at a time. Pour into a squeeze bottle or similar applicator and vigorously shake for 10 seconds. Immediately use the product, as it will begin to cure within 10 minutes depending on the temperature. Squirt the mixed product directly into the void that should be pre-filled with a dry silica sand, not included, wetting the sand fully. Restrict the use of the floor to wheeled traffic and non-harsh chemicals until after 1 hour has passed. Xtreme-Set 100 will give you the ability to return the substrate back to service or ready for coating and/or polishing applications in record time, 20 minutes or less. It is known as the Swiss Army knife of concrete floor repair products. In addition, its elongation properties far exceed that of epoxy or cement-based products that tend to shrink over time. Xtreme-Set 100 is now available in colors for stain, seal, or polishing applications where colors matter.